Pasadena, Texas, I was born and raised. Grew up with both parents who weren't on the same page. Sometimes they would laugh, more times they would crumble. They both loved one another but didn't fit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Liz or Lysandra, either one. On here you just go by Liz. So today I am going to be doing a voiceover. I just wanted to hop on here, tell everybody hi, whatever, say a few announcements. The video I'm going to do a voiceover for, I actually made this past Saturday. Yeah, this is basically just another like cooking with Liz. So if you haven't seen my other one, I actually made flautas maybe sometime like last year. And then I had some people tell me that they wanted another one. Because I was making enchiladas on Saturday, I decided to just do that. And I'm not saying in any way this is how you make enchiladas. This is just how I make them. I know how to do them two ways. I know how to do one the way my mom taught me. And then another one the way I learned from my fiance, which he learned from his mom. So I kind of like it better that way. I don't know why. To me it's just better. That's how I like it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop chit-chatting. I'll tell you all the announcements and stuff at the end of the video because I'm gonna come back on here anyway. And let me go ahead and get started on this video. Alright guys, so here, so the toothpicks, the reason they're in there, my boyfriend saw on TikTok, it supposedly helps from the oil burning. So all I'm doing here is I'm just putting the tortillas inside the oil and I'm letting them get like a little golden brown. Okay, so here you'll need the stuff you need. So you have your meat, however you want to make it, whatever meat you want inside, your queso fresco, your tortillas that we just did in the oil, and also the salsa that I made before doing all this. So I prepared the meat and the salsa and the queso fresco before I even started recording, just because I didn't want this video too long. And you're also going to need a few onions, not a lot of it though. Alright, here, so all you do next is pour the salsa inside the oil. Also be very careful just because it's going to splash a lot, as you see how it's doing here. And then I just grab a spoon just so I can put the rest, so I won't waste any. Put as much as I can left in here. And then I just kind of stir it around just a little bit. Like how I'm doing here, and then you add your onions that you cut up earlier. Again, you just need a few of them, you don't need a whole bunch of them. And then you're gonna stir that as well, and then you're just gonna let it sit for a few minutes just to heat up the salsa a little bit before we start doing the tortillas. Okay, next is we're gonna go ahead and put the tortillas in after we waited a few minutes. Kind of just let it sit in there for a few minutes. So the way we did it with the oil earlier, we're gonna do the exact same thing. That's literally all we're doing. Okay, so after they sat in there for a few minutes, again you put it as long as you put it inside the oil that we did earlier. You take them out, you take them out and put it on a plate that you're gonna serve the enchiladas on. Okay. Okay, so here it's time to just fill them and roll them. So I put the meat that I made earlier, queso fresco on top, and then all you really do is just flip it, 1, 2, and you're done. That is literally all you have to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these. After you're done rolling it, you can go ahead and add whatever side you did, so your rice, your beans, your veggies, whatever you decided to add with it. And this is the final product, or the final, like the finishing of it. So I made 3 plates, one for me, my sister, and my dad. Alright guys, so that is all you have to do. Like, it's really easy. Like I said in the video, I had did some steps before that. Like, I had already had the meat prepared. I had already crumbled up the queso fresco and all that. I had my fiance do some of the tortillas for me, just so because I didn't want this video to be so long. I wanted it to be just like quick and easy, because it really is that quick and easy to do. And since I was cooking, I just had my sister record for me. So I had some help like doing the video. As far as like doing everything, I did everything, because that's usually me and my fiance would help each other. We would both be doing it. But that day, my sister, my dad, and my nieces came over. So my fiance. So my fiance was hanging out with my nieces, like playing with them with the Legos and stuff in his game room. But yeah, that's really just it. That's all I do. Let me know if you guys try it. As far as my rice goes, I was gonna show how I do my rice, but I only had like one person that wanted me to do it, and like I didn't really, and then I didn't want the video to be too long. So if I get more requests on how I do my rice, I'll do it. But it's gotta be at least more than 5 people, or at least up to 5 people asking me how I do my rice. So if I can get like 5 or more people to ask me, I'll do just a video alone of how I do my rice. But yeah, that is all you have to do. So not that many ingredients that you need or anything. But yeah, so let me know down in the comments if you're gonna try it. If you do try it, DM me, or if you have my number, text me a picture. Let me know how it comes out. Alright, so for announcements, I don't really have a lot of announcements to do. The only ones, I'll just tell you a few of them. So the music that y'all usually hear, like in the beginning and the ending of my videos, sometimes they're in my videos, like when I do my makeup and stuff. I didn't put it in this video. Not sure why. I just wanted, I guess, just something else for right now for this kind of video. But usually I use Effect. This is his name, that he writes his own songs. It features Red Ock. And if y'all don't know them, again, I put his link down in the description below. He just came out with a new music video for one of his songs. So if y'all haven't checked that out, again, it's in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. Show him some love. Go ahead and subscribe to the LNE YouTube channel. Go and follow all his social media. Show him his love. Tell him Lyzz sent you. And yeah, so go ahead and do that. Also, I have a friend. She just started a YouTube channel. Her name is Christina. I'll put her link to her YouTube channel down below. So if you're a new mom, or you're gonna be a new mom, or you're already a mom, she shares a lot of tips on like postpartum baskets, your nursery baskets. She's also gonna do like a water birth experience, I believe, which I'm like really excited about. I don't know why. I've always just wanted to know how a water birth went, or how it feels, because I hear different stuff. I hear that it doesn't. you don't feel that much pain when you deliver underwater. So I don't know. I guess I'll see when she makes her video and see if that's true of how she felt. But yeah, so if you're interested in, or if you're a new mom, or you're gonna be a new mom, I highly recommend her YouTube channel. She talks about pretty much the baby stuff and what you're gonna need after birth, what you're gonna need during the baby's first few weeks, even throughout the whole year or so. But yeah, so I'll again link it. I'll put a link down below in the description box, and go show her some love. Go subscribe to her channel. She's really, really sweet, you guys. She's got 2 little girls, and they're very beautiful. Oh yeah, so I want to say sometime in the beginning of the year is I can't remember, maybe like in February, March, I actually started. So I started watching these videos about lip glosses because I was like, I kind of want to make lip glosses, you know. So I looked it up. I did my research. I did everything, and I actually started doing it. And I've given away some, and I've even done lip scrubs, and I've given away some of those as well. So if you're interested in buying any, I'm probably gonna only sell them like for $2-3. I am gonna try to get a website for that. I'm just starting out this whole lip gloss and lip scrubs thing. I do want to do more, but again, right now money's gonna be a little tight just because we're having a baby. But I have a few flavors. I have like grape, I have cherry, I have mango. I have one that's called cotton candy. And then I have another one named Trinity, which is after my niece. And the only reason I named it after is because she's the one that chose these 3 colors. It's actually 3 colors in one. Let me show y'all. Alright, so the first lip gloss I have is called Grape. So, excuse me, I just burped. So it's called Grape. This is the very first one I've ever done. This is when I started trying it out. Because I was like, well, grape, it seems pretty easy. I had the flavor, I had the colors. So this was my first one I ever did. But yeah, so this is it. It's just purple. This is my logo. It has like 2 diamonds combined together, and it says love and beauty. You can't really see here because it's purple. But the other ones that I'm going to show you, you can actually see it a lot better. But this one's grape. The other one that I did right after that one was mango. So here you can see the logo better on this one. This is mango. This is the second one that I did. And then I did cherry. So I figured that was another easy one to do. So here's cherry right here. And then I have cotton candy, which is 2 colors, which is the pink and blue. These colors reminded me of cotton candy. And plus I had the flavor as well. So I have this one as well. And then the last one is called Trinity, which is the one that I told you that my niece picked out the 3 colors. So she picked out blue, pink, and purple, and she wanted it in that order. She wanted blue at the bottom, and then pink, and then purple. Yeah, so this one's called Trinity. And then the lip scrub I did is called Honey Lemon. I actually finished the one that I had made the first time, and I'm telling you, this one worked. It made my lips like really soft. My lips weren't chapped anymore. But I used it every day. I would use it every morning, and then I would use it at night after I would take a shower. Wednesday, I started noticing that it was getting better. I would use it. Yes, I would only use it like once, like 3 times a week or something. But I really like it, and it is also edible. So after you put it on your lip, you scrub it in for about 2 minutes. You just scrub it on your lips, and then you can either wipe it off or you can lick it off, either one. So it is edible. I am going to try to make more flavors of these. I have some in mind that I want to do, but again, money's tight right now, so I can't really afford any. The only reason I did honey lemon is because I had all the ingredients already here in my house. If I can get at least 10 people to buy these products from me for like $2-3 each. I might even have like these 5 plus a lip scrub for like $6-7. I mean, I'm not gonna go like super expensive on it, you know. So let me know in the description below if you would actually buy these lip gloss. The next one I'm gonna do is probably just clear, just because that one's pretty easy to make. So I'll probably have 6 by the time people even answer me back. I'll do 6 lip glosses, and then I'll try to do another one before. But as far as right now, this is the only one like lip scrub that I have, which is honey lemon. I think that's all the announcements that I have for today. If you want to get some lip gloss from me or lip scrubs, let me know. Comment down below. Shoot me a text or shoot a DM me or whatever on Instagram, because that's usually where I get my messages, or even on Facebook you can. I am going to try to do matte lip glosses. I have like a little bag of like the lip gloss base for matte lip gloss. I am going to try to do it. If I like how it comes out, I'll buy more of it, but if I don't, I'm sure I have to find another way to do it. Again, let me know if you try out the enchiladas, if you're gonna make it in or not. That is all I have for today, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.
It wasn't just me, I got a brother and sister. Witnessing that shit was one day to another. As much as it hurt me, it only built me stronger, built me tougher. As a kid I was an outcast, now big boy, no 3 stacks. In middle school I didn't play sports, I wanted to, but the coach said I was short. I remember that I spent the whole night crying, but shout out to my brother for teaching me how to ball. Then a couple of dudes ran up on me for my shoes, they were new. They even stole my iPod too, which was a birthday gift.